Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And nothing new to report as far as other areas of support and resistance. I mean, everything is the same there, just in case you haven't watched the past videos. Key level of resistance right now is right up there at the top portion of this channel that the price has been trapped between, and that is up there at 255. And you can see, a couple instances both there and there where the price tried to get up through 255 and just couldn't quite do it. So that remains the overall area of resistance. But there is something else now that is really kind of the main update, and I'll get to that in a second. But as far as the overall and next level of support is concerned, that would be down here at 241, which is the bottom portion of that channel. And then if 241 does not hold up, you do have another area of support down there right around 237. And in my mind, at least, and there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price, especially if it's a high volume break of 241 to the downside, at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least go down to 237, if not lower than that. But as of right now, and to give full credit where credit's due, the price has been doing a good job of holding strong right up here around 241. But the one dynamic that I, like I said, do want to get updated here, and doesn't mean any guarantee, but the bears are definitely slowly making their presence felt again. How so? Well, with that downtrending trend line, think about what that implies. And that implies that these highs just keep getting lower and lower. So, I mean, there's been bounces to the upside. The problem comes about when, well, how high did each bounce go? And as you see here, each of these bounces just keeps getting lower and lower as far as the high is concerned. Now, once again, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I can't sit here and say that because all this happened, the price is for sure breaking down through 241, but it's definitely one of those things that needs to be noted. But again, if the price can get, the high volume break of that trend line, at that point is when you would want to immediately turn your attention back to 255 mark, which is that overall area of resistance up there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, seems as though the bears are quietly making their way back in, but we'll see what happens and see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.